Hello everyone, we are the Foshan Beitong Trade Company. We are the manufacturing specialist of metal containers and lids. Now, let me introduce one of our best sellers. These are fashionable Christmas aluminium bowls. Their diameters are 120 millimeters and the heights are 75 millimeters. Their colors can be light pink, light green, dark green, golden, light gold, deep gold, rose gold, sky blue, peacock blue, and deep blue. Or Christmas red and Christmas green like these. All containers can come with matching lids and any beautiful patterns. In order to bring out this shining and glittering effect, we have done the metal brushed finishing and polishing for surface treatment. We can also have the matte finish treatment if you like.